Hi guys, it's me Valley 3001 and today I'm going to be aiding up my ginger cats to make a neon. So, I have one fully grown, one post-teen, one newborn, one fully grown and one post-teen. So I have two fully grown and two post-teens. So basically, I'm going to be aging them up. So basically, my aim today is to try and get this one fully grown and my last one to halfway. But guys, I'm not actually Valley 3001 anymore. I've made a brand new account and it's called Lily_the_best_XX. So if I say something like, lol, you know, I'm a VIP now because I bought Robux and it says Lily_the_best_XX. So that's my new username. So I just wanted you to know, so I'm not going to be posting on my Valley account because it's not my main account anymore. But I'm still going to be logging into both accounts so I can get my streak. And my streak is 8 because I made it 8 days ago. But that's fine. So we're going to give Cheese Puffs a drink. So when this Cheese Puffs is fully grown, I'll have one more left to age up now. I think I can do it by Easter. My aim is to do it by Easter, so I can have a neon ginger cat, and also oh my god, it's fully grown. Oh my god. Guys, it's fully grown. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Anyways, basically I can make a mega neon dog, and also guys, I have a mega rideable bat and a mega flower ride cat. And it's super cool. But guys, I just realised something. We forgot something. We forgot a couple things. So, if you did not know, we're going to be giving away an ox. So one of you guys. Now all you have to do is I'll change the rules up a bit. So basically to win the giveaway, all you have to do is like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So you'll be notified every single time I post a video. And also, I recreated this, so it's just the same shout out room. So we're gonna go in. So this video's shout out goes to, we're gonna turn that 1, 2, 3. Ryan_Cook 1, 2. So this is today's video, and shout out to today's shout out winner. Now, this is all you have to do to be in the future shout out or the next video shout out is comment down below your Roblox username. And then what I do is it comes up as a notification. Then I just write it down and then I'm like, okay, you can have a shout out. Simple as that. So so this is my last one to make a video. Now I'm gonna show you some updates on my cat. So I have a golden unicorn, guys. So I can make a neon cat. I made neon candy floss. I can make a neon emu. I can make a neon monkey. I won't be able to anymore because I'm gonna give it away, but that's fine. Then I can make a neon rabbit, a neon snow puma, a neon chocolate lab, a neon dingo, neon fennec fox. I have a neon rideable glyptodon. I can make 2 neon pumas, a neon snow cat, and guys, I have a neon rideable snowman, and it's so cute. And then I have some stegosauruses. I can make neon triceratops. I have a neon wolf. I can make a neon bandicoot. I can make a neon buffalo. I'm not gonna focus on making neon cats because I already have a mega. I can make a mega dog. I can make a neon grand staff, a neon otter, and a neon tiger. So if you guys need a couple more nudes, I'm just gonna quickly do them, and I'm gonna show you my house, guys. So I'm really sorry I haven't posted for a while. It's because every time I did a video, it wouldn't post for some reason, but I think we've sorted it now. So if it doesn't, I'm really sorry, but we'll try and figure it out soon. So yeah, and guys, you know how we've made a balance squad? I'm thinking because it's Lily the Best now. I was thinking we can make a squad called Lily_. Well, not I don't think we should have an underscore. score in it. So that's just Lily the best squad. So, or it doesn't have to be Lily, it could be like your name. Basically, it can be like, so if your name's Maisie, like Maisie the best or something. So we're going to play. If you do not know, I have Robux and I spent it. I haven't spent all of it yet, but I bought the VIP limo, and if I say something like yo, you know, it says VIP, and then it's pink because like, it looks so cool pink. So we're gonna go to the school, and guys, if you did not know, the new gifts have come out. Now I posted a video, but it won't post for some reason on it. But basically, there's like 4 new vehicles, and 2 of them have come out so far. So every Thursday a new one comes out, so there's 4. So the first one was a hover car, the next one was an imagination box, and I both like opened them. I didn't pay for them, I opened them. So the next 2 are coming out next Thursday. So next Thursday, I think the squirrel cart might come out. Then the next Thursday, I don't know what that one actually is going to be, but there's going to be 2 more vehicles coming out, and then it's like a rotation basically. So we're in the main centre, and look at all these new gifts, guys. It's so cool. So next Thursday there's going to be a new vehicle, and I really, really hope it's the squirrel cart, because like I've seen it like, you know, loads of like YouTube and stuff, and it looks so cool. Now like I can't explain how cool it is, but basically it's incredible. And guys, also if you do not know, my new dream pet is a cow, so if you have a cow, comment down below, because I really want to try and get it. So I'm just like speed reading right now, because I really, 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 really want to like, you know, make it new and get it properly. And actually, I think I'm gonna turn into baby so I can get more money, because like, so I can get more money for the gifts basically. So let's just wait for it to finish school, and yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go into dress up, and we're gonna switch to baby, and we're gonna get you back out. Okay. Oh, it's a new one. No. Oh my god! Squirrel's grabbed me. Okay. I think we should buy a big gift in Franklin. Do you think we should? I think we should. So let's go and buy a big gift. I'm gonna open it. Ready? Please leave a like on this video to make me, you know, get a legendary imagination box. Please. Okay, I'm gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Open! Oh, thank goodness. That's actually pretty cool, guys. So I think what we should do is, you know, we should get just to stock up, you know. Oh, I actually opened it, okay. Okay, I didn't mean to open it, but who cares? So I've now stocked up on some gifts, guys. So all in hungry. You know what? I don't really want pizza. Really? We can get some pizza, but first I would like to offer this as a review to trade. Okay. We're gonna get a new vehicle. I think we should get the imagination box. I said it. I'm going to leave you out here. Come on then, choose paths. And also, guys, we're at 38 subscribers. If you want to make it to 40, make sure you subscribe, because when we get to 40 subscribers, we're going to have a huge party and do a massive giveaway. Whoop whoop. So, please just hit the subscribe button, please. Okay, my pizza is ready. Oh my god, guys, this is so good. I'm not even bothering to sit down, but then I just sat down. I feel like I need a drink. Oh, guys, I need to show you my house. Oh my god. Let's take out the video. Let's go to my pictures. So we're gonna show you my tiny home. I built it when I was would really well appreciate it. Okay, so this is the living room, this is like the TV area, and this is where, all my pets can go, and then I have some water. Then this is like the kitchen area, basically. There's some donuts in the cupboard. Then the table to sit, then in this door is the bathroom. This door is the bedroom. Pretty cool. And then I have a secret room. So you have to fry it up. So you can just use a propeller if you want. Then this is the YouTube room. I hope you like it, guys. Okay, so I feel like this is the end of today's video, but if you like it, make sure to smash the like button so you break your phone, computer, laptop, whatever. And, that just shows you like it so much. I'm joking, guys, I'm joking. Just leave it like, just don't smash it. Okay. Sorry, all my phone teleported. Okay, so see you in the next video, guys. Bye!